Alright, so we're doing a custom mod to the Accord slave cylinder because it has like a clutch delay valve. It's like for new drivers or whatever, and sometimes that causes for like certain gears to grind and all that. So basically the reason I'm doing this because I put a CLUTCHMASTERS clutch and flywheel in. So I got an FX350 clutch and a CLUTCHMASTERS lightweight flywheel in the car, and I already ordered a custom CMC for the car already. It hasn't come in, but it's still hard to get into gears. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is basically take this valve out, which the pin out for me. So right now I gotta pull this out. And once I take this out, there should be like a rubber like tubing. Okay, can you get out the way? I know you want to be on camera, bro. And then basically once I take that out, that basically will allow me to go into gear easy and smoothly once I take that rubber piece out and put this all back on. And hopefully I could get into gear way better than I can now, because right now it's super hard to get into first gear and then it grinds second. So hopefully with this I can get into first gear a little more smoother and second won't grind. That's all I'm hoping for. I don't care if it doesn't go in completely because I already ordered a custom CMC. The CMC is what the stock Accord CMC is what's causing me not to go into gears as smooth as stock. So that's why I ordered a custom CMC, which will be here sometime this week. But for now, I'm going to try this mod and see what helped me out for a little bit, because I need to use my car for work. It's been already a month and a half. And yeah, I need to start using it. So yeah, we already took that out. I'm going to pull that out with some needle nose pliers, which are these right here. So basically pull that circle thing that you see there out. There was a ring in here before. There's videos online, you just look it up. There's like 9th gen owners, old Accord owners, like the 9th gens Accords. People do this mod because it grinds second. Basically, there's like a little ring that goes around here. Let me show you guys real quick what the ring is. That's how the ring looks. It's like that. That's what's gonna be inside the slave cylinder, holding that circle thing that I'm about to pull out right now. So basically what I'm going to be doing is, you see that valve right there, that circle thing? I'm going to try to grab it with these needle nose pliers if they're small enough. And basically grab it and then pull out. That's what I'm trying to do. So after you use a needle nose pliers, you're going to pull that corner out, and this is what's going to come out of it. Just like that. That's exactly how I pulled it out. You guys can get a good look at it. Make sure you get the right size needle nose pliers. I got these. I bought this in AutoZone, so let's put that there to the side. I'm gonna show you guys in here. You see that inside is like a clear looking thing. That's what we're gonna pull out. And to pull that out, we're gonna use that tool that we were using before to take the clip off. I'm gonna show you guys where that is. It should be in the bag right here. Not the bag here, then it has to be inside. Let me get it. Alright, so this is the things I was talking about. See these things, you get them in Harbor Freight that we were using before to take the that clip ring piece. So I'm using one of these to take out that. So we're gonna stick that metal inside that hole right there and try to basically plunge that out, pull it out, whatever we can do, so you can get an idea. I don't have two hands because I don't have my camera no more, because yeah, it's broken. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So let me show you guys before we continue the video. This is my camera. It's stuck open. I tried to do different things to close it, but it doesn't want to close. Let me see if the battery's still charged. See, and yeah, lens error will shut down automatically. Restart camera, whatever. So I gotta go to where I bought it and see if I could fix it or exchange it or whatever. Because yeah, my camera doesn't work no more, so I can't use my stand on the phone. I don't have a phone stand, so that's the only reason I can't record and do stuff at the same time. So this is what an idea of what you're gonna be doing. So I'll show you. Basically, gonna go in here and then basically pry this out, push this in, and pull out. Let's pull this out. So I almost got it out here. I'm pulling it out. There we go. Look at that. This is how I got it out. The camera with the focus. Got it out. This is what you want to take out, the clutch delay valve. That's out. Put that over here. And let's look inside here. And there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. Good. So now we're gonna put everything back on. So basically, Where's that thing? Where is it? Where's the other piece at? Disappeared. There it is. So that piece, we're gonna grab it, and then we're gonna put it back in there. But before I do that, we'll make sure the hole is clean. There's nothing in there. Blow on it, whatever. Make sure no debris is in it, and then I'm gonna put. Once you make sure it's clean, you're gonna press and push this in. Make sure the ring side faces that way and this metal side faces out, just like that. Alright, so just like that is in already. You're pressing it. You just keep press it and it will go in. You're gonna hear it click like maybe twice. And you just keep pressing it, push it in. And then we're gonna get that lock ring that we took off and we're gonna place it on top. I'm gonna get the lock ring right now. So over here is our lock ring. This is the ring that we took off in order to take that valve off that showed you seen in the other clip. So now we're basically gonna put it on top like this, and then we're gonna press it down and it should lock like it was from factory. So after wrestling for a bit, the clip is on, so you guys can see the edge. You can see that right there. The clip is on. Had to play with it a little bit. It was a little bit complicated, but I got it on. Now it's pressed down the way it should be, so it doesn't come off. So there we go. Basically 2018 Honda Accord, slave cylinder, delete, clutch delay delete kit. Basically right there, that clutch delay valve is off. Finally now hopefully go into gear smoother, better, faster, with no issues, just because of that is off. And then also with the new part that I'm getting soon, tomorrow, it should help a lot with getting into gears and stuff, which is a custom CMC, which is CLUTCHMASTER cylinder. So this should help me get into gear, because that's the issue I'm having. So yeah, quick DUI for you guys. Hope you guys learned something and how to do it yourself. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Also, I appreciate every single subscriber that joined my channel. I'm like at 750. I reached that recently, and now I'm like, what? I don't even remember right now, but I think I'm past 750. I'm like 770, and we're almost at 800, which is the next goal. And I'm hope that we can make it to 1,000 before my birthday, which is April. So we're gonna see if we can make that happen. All you guys gotta do is keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting, and I'll keep making more videos, and hopefully the cord will be done soon also, just for you guys to get an update. The only reason that the cord is not running right now is because it doesn't want to go into gear, and also the half shaft seal that goes into trans is leaking transmission fluid, and I'm waiting for that part to come as well. So those are the two things I'm waiting for, is the seal for the half shaft and the custom CMC that I ordered, which should be here tomorrow, which I'm gonna install sometime this week. And then we should hopefully get into gear, because that's the issue I'm having, that the car is hard to get into first gear, and after first gear it gets into all gears. It's just first gear and reverse. So hopefully with this custom CMC and this mod that I just did to the slave cylinder, it'll help me get into the gears like I used to when I was stock. So we will see. Just to get an update, you guys. Also, I appreciate this one follower. I don't know if he's a subscriber or not, but he follows me on Instagram. He helped me a lot with this build, and his name will be right here. I'm gonna pop it up right there. He helped me figure out how to get into gear in the first place with the stock, CMC and the slave cylinder, which I had to adjust the pedal all the way out, and I didn't know that. So at first, when I started the car and tried to put it into gear, I didn't want to, because I had to play with the pedal. So he was the one that told me that, so shout out to him, and he helped me basically all the issues I had with the Accord so far. He's the one that's been helping me, so just appreciate him a lot. So if you guys ever need anything for the 10th gen Accord or SI or whatever, just hit him up, because he's dope. He's cool. But anyways, thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully soon the Accord will be running.